2 weeks after ending her relationship with Kanye West, Julia Fox reminisced about the romance and why she has no regrets about the less than 2-month affair. Julia Fox opened up about her brief relationship with Kanye West while attending the premiere of The Batman in New York City on March 1st. "It was the best thing that could have happened to me," Julia told Entertainment Tonight. "It was like hitting a reset button. It kind of brought a spark back into my life that I had kind of forgotten about." She also confirmed that she and Kanye are still friends following their split. Kanye and Julia started dating after meeting at a New Year's Eve party. They were hot and heavy for a month and a half, with Kanye even lavishing the actress with a Birkin bag on her birthday at the beginning of February. After several PDA-filled outings, though, Julia confirmed on February 14 that she and Kanye had split. However, a rep for Julia revealed that they remain good friends and collaborators after the breakup. Since ending things with Julia, Kanye has been spending an ample amount of time with 24-year-old Chaney Jones, who noticeably resembles his ex-wife, Kim Kardashian. On March 1st, Kanye seemingly confirmed his relationship with Chaney by reposting a photo of them on Instagram with a heart emoji as the caption. Chaney commented on the post with, "My love," and the same heart emoji, as well. Related gallery. Kim Kardashian and Julia Fox in look-alike outfits, photos. Meanwhile, amidst all this, Kim has been hoping to terminate her marriage to Kanye as soon as possible. Although the two still have to work out the specifics of their divorce settlement, Kim is hoping to restore her legally single status as the logistics are figured out. However, Kanye has objected to some of the terms in Kim's filings, and the ex's lawyers are expected in court on March 2nd to hash things out. There has been no shortage of drama between Kim and Kanye over the last few weeks, with him calling her out on social media multiple times, and her claiming that these posts have caused her emotional distress. Julia certainly appears to be thriving after her split from Kanye, though, as she attended the star-studded premiere of The Batman solo on March 1st. For now, she's staying single, too. "I don't even have the time to, brush my hair," she admitted. "I mean, if I meet someone, yes. If nature plays its course and someone comes along, I'd be more than happy to entertain that. But I'm not looking for anything right now."